Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another video. Now today I'm going to show you how to change the taillight bulbs in an EL or EF Falcon. Now to do that job you're going to have to take the whole taillight off. There's no other way to do it. So the whole light will have to come off. First thing you need to do is open that lid. You've got two Phillips head fasteners, one up here and one down there, that need to come off. There's one. And there's the second one. Now you get your taillight and you push it out that way to release it from the car. And there you go. That's the taillight taken off. Actually that one needs to be fixed. That should be sealing that up there. So I'm glad we've taken this light off to resolve that problem. You've got your reverse light, your indicator light, and your tail light and brake light. To take these out, simply twist and they do come out, and now you can replace your bulb. Then you put that back in with a new bulb. Now these are the little pins that were holding this in place out here. So you've got to line those up, put them back in, push that back in and replace your fasteners. Okay, there's your first one. And there's your second one going in, and it's job done. It is that easy. That was all done in real time, so it probably takes you less time to change a light bulb in your EF Falcon than what it takes you to watch this video. Now if you found this video useful or helpful at all, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button, not your tail light, for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching and bye for now.